Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and learn something today. Today's eyeshadow look is a simple, quick makeup routine that you can do. I'm using LA colors. That was the new palette. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. This LA colors is the second palette I mentioned that I bought. I just went into a skin tone color, and this is a very simple, easy eye look. I did not base my eyes. I have face powder on. I have a powder foundation on my eyes. So if you don't have concealer to base your eyes or an eyeshadow base, you can put your face powder on your eyes first and then put your eyeshadow over it. Once you have your first color all over the eyes, now you can take a shimmer, because remember, this is a simple makeup routine. Just the shimmer and the matte, and you got your eye look. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to take a silver with my finger. With my finger, I'm taking this silver right here. And I'm putting it right on the lids. Always remember, you're first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. If you are in need of help, I am asking you please to seek help. You are not the only one. There are many of us suffering with many different ailments. Do not be ashamed and go somewhere and ask someone to help you. In this day and age, no one should suffer in silence. No one should suffer alone. Today's I am is make every minute count. Make every minute count. This is the simple eye look that you can create with only 2 eyeshadows. Pick any lipstick you want, any blush you want, but the 2 eyeshadow look is very quick and simple, and you can incorporate that in your daily routine. My lip color is from Estee Lauder. Thank you very much for taking the time out to watch my video. I appreciate you kindly. Please hype this video, watch this video all the way to the end, give it a like. Until I see you and you see me, I would like for you to take a few minutes out of your day and reflect on self. Take a few minutes out of your day and reflect on self. See you shortly. Bye.